I got a call from a new client. He's been RVing for years and had just bought a motorhome. He thought he had gotten a great deal on it. Unfortunately, the slide quit working the very first week he owned it. When I went to diagnose the problem and found that the entire slide floor was rotten. The repair estimate was between $10,000 and $15,000. This RV was a Lemon. And the crazy part? My client could have spotted this problem in less than 5 minutes if he had known what to look for. I'm an RV tech and I go undercover to review RVs at dealerships. And in my experience, 66% of the used RVs are Lemons, and 30% of the new RVs are already Lemons. And by Lemon, I mean it's either unfixable, unusable, or severely devalued, if not totaled. And these RVs do not look like bombed out trailers, folks. They often look really nice. This is because runaway it's a Lemon kind of damage is structural, not cosmetic. The two things that make an RV a Lemon are water damage and frame damage. The frame and key wooden structural pieces are hidden behind wall panels and floor coverings. You can't see them like you can see a broken door handle or a ripped couch cushion, but if they're broke, the whole RV's broke. It's a Lemon. The very reason why they're hard to spot for the untrained eye is the reason that they're hard to fix. To get access to rotten wood to replace it, you have to tear the whole RV apart and rebuild it. The good news is if you know what you're looking for, you can spot a Lemon RV in less than 5 minutes. I am so excited to announce that I've created a new course, the 5-minute RV Lemon Check. With this check, you'll be able to answer one simple question. Is this RV worth continuing to look at? Or should I run? I'll teach you the 12 signs of an RV Lemon, which are 7 signs of water damage and 5 signs of frame damage. I also have a whole training module on how to use a moisture meter. It's an amazing tool for spotting hidden water damage in RVs. But a word of caution, you need to know how to interpret the meter readings, otherwise you might mistakenly label an RV as a Lemon that's actually not damaged. The course also includes a printable checklist that you can take with you when assessing an RV. When you're buying an RV, you've got like 3 choices. Option 1 is you just play Russian roulette and hope that the RV you're buying is not a train wreck. But 1 out of 3 odds for new RVs and 2 out of 3 odds of getting a Lemon for used RVs is not really a good gamble. Option 2 is to pay a lot of money to have every single RV you're interested in inspected by a professional to the tune of $1,000 or sometimes more. Or option 3, take my course and learn the 5-minute RV Lemon Check. If you think about it, you rule out 3 RVs that are Lemons, you've saved yourself $3,000 of inspection fees. I also have a promotion right now where if you get my RV Lemon course and my RV shopping course to learn the quality of different RV components, you can get those at a discount when you buy the bundle. I'll be excited to see the look on salesmen's faces when you show up with the 5-minute Lemon Check and you start ruling out Lemon RVs left and right. They have no idea what's coming.